House Speaker Sonny Belmonte describes as ridiculous and uncalled for the call of some people for President Aquino to step down from office in the wake of the Mama Sapano incident. According to Belmonte, this can only create more problems than a solution. On the House Mama Sapano hearing, Belmonte assured that they will resume the inquiry in March. Freddie Abando filed this report.
The suspension of the investigation of the Mama Sapano incident was a collective decision by the top leaders of the House led by Speaker Feliciano Belmonte. Last week's inquiry conducted by the House Committees on Public Order and Safety, Peace and Reconciliation had its moments of chaos. Although the questioning of some members in both committees uncovered significant facts that will reveal the events that led to the tragic death of 44 SAF troopers engaged by MILF and BIFF forces. They were part of the 392-strong SAF force deployed to arrest Malaysian terrorist Marwan.
To my great surprise, everybody ridiculed it. Kasi naging kung ano-ano, circus, kung ano yung mga sinasabi ron, na hindi marunong itong mga congressmen, ang gulo-gulo, and so forth. So, rethinking about it.
The resumption of the probe will come after the Board of Inquiry will complete its probe of the incident in 2 weeks. Speaker Belmonte stressed the report to be submitted by the Board will determine how both House committees will proceed with its probe.
Itong ating investigation, isuspend muna natin. I talked with the head of the BOI, yung BOI, and he told me that they will be finished before the end of the month. I will write him a letter to formalize the agreement that we will be given immediately a copy of the report, and I'll give it to the three committees involved, and they can go over it, and if they want to have any further questioning of anybody, then we can continue with the investigation for purposes of not a wide-ranging thing that anything that comes to your mind that tatanungin mo, pero let's focus on the statements of key figures.
Belmonte stressed there is no attempt to cover up the investigation to benefit the president. The speaker said whoever is found to be wanting in the planning and the execution of the operations to arrest Marwan will be imposed penalties and sanctions. Belmonte said the call for the president to resign is ridiculous. Deputy Speaker George D. Agabao said there is no basis to charge the president for accountability. Agabao stressed the probe will point to the execution of the operational details and the outcome of the mission. This view is shared by a majority of the members of the House.
Ridiculous. Yeah, that's my reaction, ridiculous.
Why?
Ridiculous. Anong galing-galing na presidente ng tao, guguluhin nila.
Yung calls for resignation, na-cheapen na natin Masyadong 5.25 na yung calls for resignation Anything that happens do sa presidency, people call for resignation. I think we have to be more circumspect in demanding for the presidency to resign. I think that the Mama Sapano incident, while very, very regrettable and very, very unfortunate, in my opinion, the blame should not be laid on the doorstep of the president.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.